Picture this. You're standing in a dealership, sunlight glinting off the sleek Subaru Forester, sales reps spinning tales of reliability and adventure. Your heart's racing with excitement, but before you sign on that dotted line, you need to know the unvarnished truth that most reviews won't tell you. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the Subaru Forester, a vehicle that's been a staple in driveways across America, beloved by outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. But beloved doesn't always mean best. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 5 critical insights that could completely change how you view this seemingly perfect SUV. Number 5. The underwhelming engine performance. Let's start with the powertrain, the heart of any vehicle. The Subaru Forester comes equipped with a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated flat-4 engine that generates approximately 182 horsepower and 176 pound-foot of torque. On paper, these numbers might seem acceptable, but in real-world driving, they tell a different story. While the engine provides adequate power for daily commuting and basic urban driving, it falls short when compared to more dynamic competitors in the compact SUV market. The most glaring issue is the lack of powertrain variety across the Forester's lineup. Unlike rivals such as the Honda CR-V or Mazda CX-5, which offer turbocharged options or more powerful engine configurations, the Forester remains frustratingly unchanged. Imagine you're merging onto a busy highway or need a quick burst of acceleration to navigate through traffic. The Forester's engine may leave you feeling underwhelmed. Its performance becomes particularly noticeable when compared to competitors that have invested in more robust and responsive powertrains. The absence of significant engine upgrades means that the driving experience can feel somewhat monotonous and uninspired. For driving enthusiasts, or those who value a more engaging driving dynamic, this limitation could be a deal breaker. The flat-4 engine, while smooth and characteristic of Subaru's design philosophy, simply doesn't deliver the kind of responsive performance that many modern drivers expect from a contemporary compact SUV. Number 4. Fuel economy challenges. Fuel efficiency is a critical consideration for many SUV buyers, and the Subaru Forester presents a mixed bag of performance in this crucial area. Official ratings suggest approximately 26 miles per gallon in city driving and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. While these numbers aren't terrible, they fall short when placed side by side with key competitors. Toyota's RAV4, for instance, can achieve up to 28 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. The Honda CR-V offers similarly competitive fuel economy figures. What truly sets these competitors apart is their willingness to embrace hybrid technology, a significant omission in the Forester's lineup. Real-world driving conditions further complicate the Forester's fuel economy narrative. Factors like driving style, terrain, vehicle load, and weather can dramatically impact actual fuel consumption. Many owners report struggling to match the advertised efficiency ratings, which can lead to unexpected fuel costs. The complete absence of hybrid options is perhaps the most significant drawback. In an era where environmental consciousness and fuel efficiency are paramount, Subaru's reluctance to introduce hybrid variants for the Forester becomes increasingly difficult to justify. Eco-conscious consumers and those looking to minimize their carbon footprint may find themselves drawn to more progressive offerings from competing manufacturers. Number 3. Sound insulation concerns. Sound insulation might not be the first thing on every buyer's mind, but it plays a crucial role in overall driving comfort. The Subaru Forester has seen significant improvements in recent generations, particularly in the 5th and 6th iterations. Subaru has invested in better sound-deadening materials and refined construction techniques to create a more peaceful cabin environment. However, despite these improvements, the Forester still struggles with noise management. Road and wind noise can be surprisingly prominent, especially when driving on rougher surfaces or at higher speeds. The continuously variable transmission, CVT, introduces its own acoustic challenges, often producing a distinctive drone during acceleration that can become tiresome during longer drives. While older models were notorious for their lack of sound insulation, recent versions have made strides in reducing external noise. Yet, the improvement is incremental rather than transformative. Drivers accustomed to more refined vehicles might find the residual noise levels distracting or uncomfortable. The engine noise, combined with potential road and wind sounds, can create an auditory experience that falls short of what one might expect from a modern compact SUV. For those who prioritize a serene driving environment, this could be a significant point of contention. Number 2, technology and electronic limitations. In the realm of technology and electronics, the Subaru Forester presents a nuanced picture. On the positive side, it offers an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The EyeSight Driver Assistance Suite is comprehensive, including features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking. However, when placed alongside competitors like the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4, the Forester's technological offerings reveal some shortcomings. The infotainment interface, while functional, lacks the refinement and user-friendliness found in rival systems. Slow response times and a less intuitive design can lead to user frustration, particularly for those who are tech-savvy. The EyeSight safety system, while impressive in its capabilities and contributing to excellent crash test ratings, can sometimes feel overly sensitive. Some drivers report that the alerts and interventions can be excessive, potentially creating more distraction than safety. While the technological features are not entirely disappointing, they represent an area where the Forester could significantly improve. The gap between Subaru's tech offerings and those of its competitors continues to be a point of critique for potential buyers. Number 1, interior design and material quality. The interior of the Subaru Forester has undergone notable evolution in recent generations. When compared to luxurious rivals like the Mazda CX-5 or the stylish Hyundai Tucson, the Forester's interior might seem somewhat utilitarian. However, it's not without its strengths. Practicality remains the Forester's primary interior design focus. Generous headroom, exceptional legroom, and numerous storage compartments make it an incredibly functional space. The recent improvements in material quality are evident, with upgraded soft-touch surfaces and a more cohesive design that feels contemporary and inviting. Large windows and an elevated seating position contribute to excellent visibility, a significant advantage for drivers who value a comprehensive view of their surroundings. While the interior might not scream luxury, it speaks the language of functionality and comfort. The layout prioritizes user-friendliness, with intuitive controls and a design that seems more focused on serving the driver's needs rather than creating a showroom aesthetic. For those who value substance over style, the Forester's interior approach will be deeply appealing. The Subaru Forester is far from a perfect vehicle, but it's not without merit. It represents a reliable, practical option for those who prioritize functionality, safety, and all-weather capability over pure performance and cutting-edge design. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, subscribe and hit the like button to support our content. See you on next video.